Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is the unlocked model. It is in the green, and it is of course the 512 because I pre-ordered, so I got that free storage upgrade. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, take a look at it. Of course, we know we don't get too much in the box. And I was watching some other unboxing videos. I don't know why they got nice pull tabs in other countries, but we just got stuck with these stickers that are a pain to peel off. You know, they mess up the box, all that kind of stuff, and then everybody else gets pull tabs. So, got these off. Go ahead and drop it out of the box. And on the top here, on the underside of the box, is where your quick start guide, your SIM eject tool, and your cable are going to be. They're going to be in this little pouch right here. We'll go ahead and put that off to the side though. And then right here we have the phone itself. There is a little piece of paper on it, so when you first open this, if you didn't order black, don't worry, you did not get the wrong color. You just have to take off the little protective paper, and then there's a pull tab right here to pull the phone out, and that is the green. It looks very nice. It's kind of like in the light, kind of silverish, kind of maybe like a gray, but when it's, you know, just normal lighting, you can definitely see it is a bit of a green tint to it. And I'm going to say first thing in the hand is you can definitely feel the edges are different than the S22 Ultra. Unfortunately, I did sell my S22 Ultra, so UPS picked that up when they dropped this off. So I don't have it to compare. But right out of the box, you can definitely feel the difference in the sides of the phone. They are definitely more squared off, and it's definitely easier to hold in the hand. It kind of gives you a little bit of grip. It's not rounded and slippery. So I do like that. It does feel very premium. I still do have the plastic on the side here, so I can't feel the metal, but there is that. I'm going to leave this on for now because I'm going to put a screen protector on it. So this is just an unboxing. We're not going to set it up or anything in this video, but I'm going to set it up off camera and come back and in another video, and we're going to review some cases. I have some Samsung cases, some spec cases, and a few others we're going to check out. And I'm also going to put on the official Samsung screen protector, and we'll take a look at that as well. But that is the unboxing of the green S22 Ultra. This is, like I said, the unlocked version in 512 with the 12 gigabytes of RAM. So that is what you get in the box. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.